Finding a walker that doesn't feel like lugging around a shopping cart can actually give you your life back. But pick the wrong one and it is just going to collect dust in a closet. I have spent serious time testing a whole bunch of these to see which ones actually deliver on their promises of being lightweight and easy to use. Let me explain what I found, counting down from number 6 to the absolute best one on the market right now. 6. Medline Superlight Folding Aluminum Rollator Walker. When I first pulled this out of the box, it definitely lives up to the Superlight part of its name. You can literally lift it with one hand without straining yourself, which is exactly what you want if you are constantly tossing it into the back of a car or carrying it up a step. The frame is entirely aluminum, making it really easy to maneuver around tight corners in a small house or apartment. If you have a cat constantly running underfoot like I do, being able to turn quickly and easily is actually a pretty big deal. It comes with a padded seat and a decent backrest, so if you need to take a quick breather while out on a walk, it definitely has you covered. But here is what matters. Actually using it day to day revealed a few things that frustrated me. The folding mechanism is supposed to be simple, but it tends to stick quite a bit. I found myself wrestling with the latch more often than I would like to admit, which completely defeats the purpose of having an easy-to-use mobility aid. Then there are the wheels. They are perfectly fine on absolutely smooth pavement or clean hardwood floors. But the second you transition to a thicker rug or uneven outdoor terrain, the whole thing gets jittery. It just does not feel firmly planted to the ground when the surface gets a little rough. 5. Planet Walk Super Lightweight Rollator Walker for Seniors. This one caught my eye initially because it claims to be the ultimate travel companion. And to be totally fair, it has a really nice overall aesthetic. It does not look like a piece of hospital equipment, which is a huge plus in my book when you want to keep your dignity intact. The handles are surprisingly comfortable right out of the gate. They feature an ergonomic grip that does not make your hands ache after 10 minutes of walking around the neighborhood. It also features a decently sized storage pouch underneath the seat, giving you plenty of room to stash your phone, a water bottle, or a few small groceries. Well, getting it ready for travel is where the illusion kind of breaks down for me. The marketing makes it seem like you can collapse it in a split second with zero effort. In reality, you have to push and pull a bit awkwardly to get it flat enough to actually fit comfortably in a standard car trunk. I also noticed the brakes are incredibly stiff right out of the box. You have to squeeze them with a serious amount of force to get a complete confident stop. If someone has arthritis in their hands or just naturally weaker grip strength, this is going to be a real problem. I even tried adjusting the cable tension myself, and it only marginally improved the feel of the brakes. 4. Drive Medical 2-Button Folding Walker. This is the traditional frame style, without the built-in seat or the 4 spinning wheels. It is quite literally as basic as it gets. But sometimes basic is exactly what you need to feel secure. What struck me immediately upon testing this is the absolute stability of the frame. Because it does not have swivel wheels in the back, it feels incredibly planted to the floor. When you put your full body weight on it to stand up from a chair or the couch, it does not budge an inch. It gives you a tremendous amount of confidence if balance is your primary concern. The 2-button folding system is actually a really clever piece of engineering. You can press the buttons with your fingers, your palms, or even the side of your hand if your grip strength is completely gone. Each side of the walker folds in independently, making it perfectly narrow enough to slip through tight bathroom doorways or store easily in a shallow closet. The obvious downside to this specific style is the pacing of your walk. You have to lift it slightly with every single step if you do not have the front wheels attached, or sort of push and glide if you do. It inherently requires more upper body effort than a standard rollator. It is definitely not meant for long, leisurely walks through the park. It is an incredibly reliable, no-nonsense tool for navigating around the house safely and securely. 3. Vive Mobility Lightweight Walker for Seniors. Vive has been making some genuinely great mobility products recently, and this particular model hits a really nice sweet spot between overall weight, daily features, and retail price. When I tested this one outside, the first thing I noticed was the massive improvement in maneuverability. The front wheels are large enough to handle uneven door thresholds and small sidewalk bumps with total ease. You do not get that awful jarring shock traveling up your arms when you hit a crack in the concrete. The seat is wide and actually padded well enough to sit on for more than 2 minutes without your legs going numb. A lot of these rollators have seats that feel like a piece of thin cardboard covered in cheap vinyl. The Vive actually provides some real cushion. It also includes a really convenient cane holder on the side, which is a small detail but a huge help if you prefer to use both aids. Let me explain why it did not rank higher though. While the main frame is relatively light, the overall footprint of the walker is just slightly bulky. It takes up a bit more room in a narrow hallway than I would personally prefer. It folds up easily enough for transport, but it simply does not get quite as compact as the top 2 contenders we are about to talk about. The Vive Mobility is a fantastic all-around choice for everyday use. 2. Rollz Flex 2 Lightweight Walker with Wheels. Let me just say this right out of the gate. This thing looks incredible in person. It completely redefines what a walker is supposed to look like. It looks much more like a high-end piece of modern luggage or a luxury designer stroller than a medical mobility aid. But it is definitely not just about the looks. The daily functionality is brilliant. It features a massive waterproof bag built directly into the center of the frame. I mean, you can literally fit a week of groceries in there, and the bag rests low so it keeps your center of gravity completely stable while you walk. The handlebar design is a totally unique approach. Instead of 2 separate handles like every other model, it has a single continuous padded bar that you can hold in multiple different ways. You can actually push it safely with just one hand, which is nearly impossible on a standard rollator design. It adjusts easily to your height and supports your posture perfectly. The wheels on the Rollz Flex 2 are exceptionally smooth and quiet. They absorb impact beautifully, making outdoor walks across cobblestone or broken pavement feel like an absolute breeze. It is remarkably agile and easy to turn for having such a massive storage capacity built right in. The only reason it isn't number 1 is the premium price tag, and the fact that the resting seat is really just the top section of the bag. byACRE Carbon Ultralight Rollator Walker. This is, without a doubt, the single best lightweight walker on the market today. Once you try it for yourself, it is honestly hard to go back to pushing anything else around. Here is what matters most. It is made entirely of carbon fiber. That means it is mind-bogglingly light. We are talking right around 10 pounds total. You can lift it into a car trunk with literally 1 finger. Yet, because it is solid carbon fiber, it is stronger and vastly more rigid than any aluminum frame I have ever tested. The physical design is incredibly sleek and thoughtful. The brake cables are completely hidden inside the frame, so there is absolutely nothing to snag on doorknobs or furniture as you walk by. The handles are turned inward at a slight angle, which naturally aligns with your wrists and takes all the pressure off your joints while you push. When you take this outdoors, the shock-absorbing wheels and the naturally flexible carbon frame work together to eat up all the vibrations from the road. It just glides. You barely feel the ground underneath you. And when you need to fold it, a gentle pull on the seat lifts it right up into a super slim profile that stands entirely on its own. It is definitely a financial investment, but the byACRE Carbon Ultralight completely removes all the daily friction from using a mobility aid. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.